Bells ringing in heaven. Little children play. They enjoy. Joy is one of the great qualities of little children. In their joy, how much joy they give to you. While they are very, very young, they develop a sense of humor. Is it for the baby or for you that you play peekaboo? Every child's laugh is like a bell ringing in heaven. Think of the world filled with joy and laughter rather than sorrow and tears. Sorrow and tears aren't so bad either. They are real. And joy and laughter are real too. Yet, why not trade in tears for laughter? What would you be losing but seriousness? What is the virtue in being so serious? When did being serious rate more highly than joy? Is there more respect given for tears than for laughter? Who thought that one up? When you think of it, why is sorrow more celebrated than joy? How odd, how funny right there. To think that sorrow carries greater weight than laughter. This is something to laugh about. Think of it. Sorrow is paraded in public and laughter takes place muffled. Don't be silly, the world says. You really already knew that the world had many things backward. Yet you may have thought it would be impolite of you to laugh at any of the behavior the world touts. The world tends to frown on laughter and smile upon sorrow. The world even ennobles sorrow and gives it trappings. This must be a classic case of the emperor's new clothes. In all seriousness, I have to ask, why in God's name would anyone look upon sorrow with more favor than they look upon joy? Why would anyone keep laughter hidden when laughter could ring the bells of joy all over the world? There must be some kind of joke here. Perhaps the world needs schools of laughter. As it is now, in most classrooms, if someone laughs, he gets in trouble. Why not reserve frowns for those who are not laughing, or at least not smiling? What is there that cannot give you delight? Must botany and Einstein's relativity be so serious? Must anything be so serious? Why not have sense of humor in the curriculum? The law of gravity was not meant to apply to the expression on your face. Instead of advice that says study hard, why not have advice that says laugh hard? Advise yourself. Instead of signs on buses that say buy this, not that, have signs that say buy laughter, not sorrow. Instead of having a beautiful cigarette girl who walks around as in an old movie and says cigarettes, cigarettes for sale, have a beautiful girl with a great smile walk around saying laughter, free laughter today, laughter on the house, Have some, have more, take all you want. Laughter belongs to the innocence of the little child. Laughter is spontaneous. A child does not have to be taught how to laugh. He doesn't have to learn it on his own either. A child naturally peals with laughter, while on the other hand, sorrow has to be taught and it has to be learned. A child's laughter is locked down and he is taught that there are sad occasions. Is this not so? Has not the world favored straight faces? Why must only flags be raised high? Why cannot laughter be raised high too? Why cannot joy and laughter be considered honorable, more honorable than the pomp and circumstance of sorrow? Are not peals of laughter better than sobs of sorrow? Why give comfort to those in the throes of sorrow and not put your arm around those in the throes of laughter? Let's get the world's priorities right. From this day forth, downplay sorrow and exonerate joy. That's it. Please subscribe to the daily ezine, daily inspirational ezine at heavenletters.org, and there is also a Heavenletter book and CD you can buy at the Heavenletters site. And if you wish to help Gloria Wendroff hold workshops in any country around the world, please contact her through her website. Have a joyful day. Joy!